Welcome to 336 Southwest H Street in Madras, Oregon. This home is newly renovated top to bottom, 3-bed, 1-bath, just a little more than 1,000 square feet with a large attached single-car garage. Brand new roof, paint, inside and out, everything has been redone. There's a fenced yard, RV parking on the side, lots of room for additional vehicles, toys, if you wanted to put in some type of smaller shop or an RV cover, lots of opportunities there. This place is turnkey, ready to go, in brand new condition. Now inside the front door, you can see the brand new LVP flooring throughout, new paint, lighting, cabinets, countertops. These granite counters are brand new, as is everything. All the appliances, blinds, single bay sink. Expansive, great room. The home has blinds throughout. That is the door to the attached single car garage. The door on the left is to the backyard. This is your space for a refrigerator, plugs installed, ready to go. Perfect placement. Coat closet and your front door. It is a 1-bath home, but it does have a setup kind of like it still has a primary bedroom. This is the primary. Nice private view of the backyard. Has a bypass door closet there. Show you the inside of that. Does have central electric heat into the primary / guest bath that will have a mirror shortly. Quartz counter there. Brand new tub shower combo. Nice toilet. Really a great setup here. Good to be able to access it from the primary bedroom space while still having access to these guest bedrooms that are both very spacious, have similar bypass door closets. This is the biggest of the two guest bedrooms. Bypass door closet, lots of plugs, good lighting. And then back here we've got the utility room, lots of space for washer and dryer. Brand new water heater installed. Your plug there for the dryer, and it's great that they made the new water heater drain to the outside. Awesome for water protection in case there's ever any kind of leak. Just a great layout, perfect selections, ready to go immediately. Now inside the single car garage space, it's extra deep, fully insulated. You have lots of room to pull a vehicle in and store extra toys, lawn equipment, whatever else you need to store inside. There's also this back space. It's like a storage shed that's attached. Very handy, and it leads out to the covered back patio. Now in the backyard area, directly off of the kitchen, we have the door leading out to the covered patio. Nice little space. That door straight ahead leads into the storage shed that's attached to the garage. The backyard is separately fenced from the rest of the lot, so you can have a pet Are your kids contained here easily? It's chain link, 2 gates, one up front, one out back here. Some nice shade trees. Just a really great property, corner lot, ready to go.